Thread is a new app built by the Instagram for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. You can log in using your Instagram account, and post can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos and videos up to 5 minutes in length. This How to 1 Minute will show you how to use the Instagram Thread. So the Thread application is available for both iOS and Android device. So go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram Threads, and you will get the official Thread app here. All you have to do is just install it from here and launch it. And here your Instagram profile will appear. Note one thing: to create an account in Thread, you must have to use your Instagram profile. So tap on your profile and here customize your Thread profile. Remember one thing: you can't change your Thread name because it's linked to your Instagram profile. So to change your Thread profile name, you have to change your Instagram profile name from Insta application. And you can add your bio and link here. You can also add this info from your Instagram account by tapping import from Instagram option. And here select your Thread profile privacy. You can create a public profile or a private profile. Tap on join Thread and your Thread profile will be created. Once you created a brand new Thread profile, now you may wondering how to view your Thread profile. To view your profile, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right and you will jump into your Thread profile page. And from here you can edit your profile, you can share your profile, and if you select this Thread tab, here you will get all of your Thread. And to see your replies, you can select the replies tab, and from your Thread profile you can open your Instagram profile directly by tapping on this Instagram icon at the top right. And to open your settings, tap on this menu icon at the top right and your Thread settings will open. And to see your Thread app notifications, tap on this little heart icon at the bottom and here you will get your all notifications. To search for a specific profile, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Now you can search for any Thread profile and this is your home page icon. And to post a Thread, tap on this new post icon at the bottom. Now you can write your Thread, and you can also attach a photo or video by tapping on this little paperclip icon and select the photo or video you want to add. Tap on post and your Thread will be posted. So this is a very easy app, you can handle it easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.